Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 13, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So, to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so, and do that once more, which will then extend a bunch of toggles right here. Now we are looking for the screen recording toggle, so if it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you second page where the toggle is located for me. As you can see it right here. Once you see it, simply tap on it. First time around, you will need to give it permission to record screen. It also gives you this notification that you have two different options of displaying the recording. So we have one as a kind of like a banner by the looks of it. Or not. I guess that was just a notification for the recording of like sound and stuff. And in case here we have the toggle, so we have system sound and microphone. By default, it looks like it will default to recording system, but not microphone. Now, obviously you can change both of those and you can record both at the same time if you want to, though for that purpose, I would recommend using headphones, as it might create an unwanted echo effect where the microphone will be picking up the sound from the speaker, so it will record it twice. Obviously, not something that you want to happen. Anyway, I'm gonna select start recording. You have this little pop-up right here that shows you how long you've been recording, and from here you can open up any kind of application that you want to record. Mine is the one that I am doing right now. I am opening up just so you can see this happen. Now, one thing that I want to point out, thank you OnePlus for actually giving me this pop-up, letting me know that some shitty application blocks me from recording my own device, even though I haven't given it any kind of permission. I do want to point that out. I haven't signed in, therefore I haven't agreed to the terms of service, nor do I even have an account to do so, and nor did I install this application myself, as it came pre-bloated. So that's something that won't be recorded, but for instance something like YouTube will. So I'm going to open it up just to kind of showcase this. And once you're done recording, you can interact with this overlay right here, click on it, and then click on the square to basically save the screen recording. Once you save it, you can find the actual recording in your photos or gallery, whatever you have in here, application. Oh, there we go, photos. And you can see it right here. But later on, it might be easier for you to find it by going into albums. And in albums, you'll find album called videos or screenshots by the looks of it. So it is going to store it in two different locations to make it a bit easier for you to find it. And here it is. Now, when it comes down to the Netflix and the reason why it blocks the screen recorder, it is basically a DRM protection, aka a way for you to not be able to pirate their content in this kind of manner. Though if you're pirating it by recording screen, you're doing it wrong. I highly recommend going with something like CloudStream. You can thank me later. And screw you Netflix for basically deciding to do whatever the hell you want on my device. So you can see that's what you end up having, a straight up black screen. It is still recording, which you can see right here. And when I open up some other application, it will be visible normally, as it should be. So there we go. And like I mentioned, luckily here you have a pop-up at the bottom of the screen letting you know that whatever you are trying to record is being basically blocked right now. So you have that inside. Most or any other device till now doesn't give you this kind of info, so you might be recording something and not know that it's not being recorded. And the reason I'm pointing that out is because things like Netflix aren't the only applications that utilize this feature. There is a decent amount of other applications that do this, and most commonly you will find this in bank applications. You also won't be able to capture screenshots in there as well. But in applications like bank apps, I completely understand why this is there. It's more to protect you as the user rather than just DRM protection. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.